Hi, Patsy. As I said in my email, I want to make you just a really quick video of a couple things, a really shallow analysis of your website and how you can get it ranked much higher in Google and increase your business. So this is your homepage. Let me just go back a page here and show you what I did. I searched piano tuning in Denver, and there's a lot of different ways people can search for your service. The key is to make sure that no matter how they search, they find you. Okay, and you show up on page 2. You can see here, here's page 2, and where'd you go here? Okay, Parker Pianos right there, which doesn't sound too bad. Okay, I'm on page 2 of a Google search until you get into the stats. Let me give you just a couple quick stats here. Number 9, 60% of clicks go to the top 3 websites in search engine results. Okay, and I'm going to get to that here in a second. So 6 out of 10 people don't get past the top 3. Number 14, 75% of users never click past the first page of search results. That means that if you're on page 2, 3 out of 4 people looking for your service are never going to see your website. This is why it's so important to be on page 1. Okay, and so let me go back to page 1 of Piano Tuning Denver. This is where you need to be. So if you look at page 1, you're going to get paid ads, people who have paid to get there. Your competitors pay a lot of money to get on page 1, but some good news is if we go back to these stats, number 24, 70 to 80% of people ignore paid search results, choosing to only click on organic listings. That means that people have learned they put a lot more value in people that are right here. So anytime you search a business, what you're going to get is what's called the Google Map Pack. It's a map of where they are and the top 3 search results. There is a very specific strategy to get your business site into these top 3 spots. They're very valuable, but we know how to do it on a local level. We only work with businesses on a local level because it's a completely different ballgame. We don't do this nationally. But getting into these top 3 spots is going to guarantee that everyone looking for your service or services is going to see your business. Now, one of the top tips I can give you on how to increase your ranking, and there is a lot of them, but the number one tip that I see that even the most SEO companies that people pay for do not do is content. So this is your homepage again. You need to have 1,000 words of authoritative content on your homepage. I'm going to guess you have some around 100 here. This is so important because this is the number one way the Google bots, when they read a web page, determine where it should rank. And let me give you an example of this. If we go do a search, I did one for water buffalo here. Okay, and you can search just about any topic you want. But what you'll find is Wikipedia shows up at the top of almost every one of these searches. And the reason is simple. Wikipedia has a ton of authoritative content. Anything you want to know about water buffalo is here. Look at all the keywords they have here. So even if I'm searching for water buffalo in Europe or water buffalo in Egypt or however I want to find information on water buffalo, I'm going to end up on Wikipedia. Google is a business. They're in the business of getting you to use their search engine. The better match they can give you to what you're searching for, the better chance you are going to come back and use them again, the more ads they can sell. I can't stress how important this is. And so that is the number one thing that would need to be done on your site. There are numerous other things that we can talk about. Citations, the amount of outside websites that are linked to you and the value of those websites. That is another great way to increase your rankings. Making sure your headers are done properly, your keywords are in there. My point to this is we look for businesses and little niches in specific markets that have the opportunity to take a small business like yours with a great reputation and take them from page 2 or page 3 or wherever you may be to page 1 and get you in this top 3 spots. This is how you can significantly increase your business. All right, I hope that makes a little bit of sense to you. I'm going to send this video off to you, and I'd love to talk with you further about it. Thanks, Patsy.